so many desert plants, cacti, succulents. So dry, man. You gotta wonder, like, where do people go to find solace here? Need that shade. I'm Hilton Carter, and together with Mrs. Myers, I'm traveling across America to see how gardens, no matter the shape or size, can transform cities and communities. Today, we're in South Tucson, Arizona, where temperatures can soar above 100 degrees and public green spaces are hard to come by. Here, one family has transformed a corner lot into a shaded gathering space in a community with no nearby parks. For Selena and her family, this place, this garden here, is deeply personal, rooted in heritage, culture, and the desire to bring people back together. Hey!
Hey!
Hi, Selena.
How's it going?
Good to see you.
Nice to see you too.
I
Welcome.
love this. So tell me a little bit about it. How did this all start for you?
When we received the keys to our building to start a coffee shop named after our daughters, Sofia Luna and Mia Sol, for my husband Abraham and I, it was big to invest in the soil, to pour love into the soil. So what we wanted to do, we wanted to create a safe green space for this community, for the city of South Tucson. And if a nana wants to come, sit down under a tree, if a little one wants to run after some butterflies, this is a space to do it at. This area is the hottest area in all of Pima County. There is not one consistent park that is open for our residents. It's like, planting a seed. It's provided a lot of opportunity. We have a partnership with Tucson Bird Alliance, with barrio restoration to cultivate and maintain the area, but we've also literally opened doors for our community too, from artists to entrepreneurs, also bringing back a lot of these legacy residents that have been here their whole lives, and having them sit down here and enjoy a cup of iced coffee for the first time, because there isn't any locally owned coffee shops in this area. I really want our community to see this as a true habitat, something that's gonna constantly be evolving and growing throughout time.
And something that is for them.
Yes, for the community, by the community, for the community.
Hey, hi.
Hey.
Hilton.
Megan.
Nice to meet you, Megan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, David.
Nice to meet you.
What does this space, this habitat mean to the community?
So the plants here are like a representation of the neighborhood, right? They're desert survivors, right? But with love and care, they thrive better. So this community space is gonna be utilized in that sense to really bring the neighborhood together.
I mean, the thing is, if you go out into the native desert, it's lush. The plants have what they need. They're able to capture the water, and it's not covered in blacktop that makes the water run away. And we wanted to bring that into South Tucson for the people, for the wildlife, for everybody.
10 years down the road, what do you see happening right here?
I can see the surrounding area improving, adding more native gardens to neighbors' properties and so forth. And it's really about community and how to best serve the community, and I think this spot is going to do that. And it's just going to overall create a safer surrounding.